Hey everybody, it's Mark again, and I got in today the Fox and Grapes clock that has the two doors on it. There was no picture of the movement. I'm thinking it's a cuckoo quail clock. I could be wrong. It could be a cuckoo with music. But anyway, we're going to open it together and we're going to find out together. I did a shake test on the box and it doesn't rattle. So the packer, the seller, did a really good job packing it. A lot of people complain, my box is damaged, my stuff is damaged. You know, sometimes it happens, but I'm not going to drive all the way across the United States to buy a clock. I'm going to take my chances and hoping that the seller has some common sense. Of course, with my Mastercraft clocks, they're still broken because the seller put two clocks in a box with no packing material. So anyway, we're going to open this clock box together and we're going to find out together what kind of clock this is. As you can see, quite a bit of packing. And the wing on the bird did get broken, but it's something that is easily repairable. You know, this is a pretty old clock from the pictures I did see. Another part, they got broken, but again, it's easily fixable. Now is the moment of truth. Seeing just the two bellows here, and no bellows on this side. It is just a cuckoo quail clock, and but you know, I took a chance. My mom always said, take a chance. Columbus did, and he discovered America. It is a newer, well, it's a newer cuckoo quail clock. It has a Regula, I'm going to say that's a 71 movement. I could be wrong. I don't know if you can see that or not. We'll show you in a second. But there's quite a bit of music notes. And I knew it didn't have any weight, but I thought there was a pendulum. And here's the pendulum. This is why I thought it was an older clock, because of the style of the pendulum. And the older clocks made the pendulum like this. And I'll show you one in a second. But this clamp right here is a newer clamp. Here's the older clock with the older pendulum. You see the way it's designed? Totally different from this bracket. And the top section that holds onto the pendulum leader wire is totally different from this one. This one is the newer style, where this one is the older style. And again, I hope y'all can see that. Another part of the clock that is damaged, but easily fixable. I paid $140 total for this clock. Am I upset that it's not a cuckoo quail clock? Well, yeah. Wouldn't you be? But am I upset that I paid $140 for the clock and it's not a cuckoo quail clock? I'm very satisfied with the money that I paid for this clock. This is a $400 and $500 clock, and I think it might be an 8-day. I could be wrong. I'm going to have to pull the movement out and see. I don't see where it's marked Regula 72. What it says is Regula 701 on it. And again, I'll show you this in a second. And so, overall, I'm pretty happy with the clock. There's a sticker on here, but it doesn't say that much on it. I'm trying to decide on a date on this clock. As pretty as that movement is, there are looks like maybe 3 tunes on this music box. Again, I'm going to have to pull it apart. So more to come. And let me go ahead and show you the movement in case you didn't see it. See how pretty that is? Regula 701, made in Germany, and that's all it says on it. Here are the 3 tunes. I don't speak German, so I'm assuming it's 3 tunes. I don't know if I can get that thing to focus in or not. Come on. There we go. But there was enough pictures to determine whether it was a cuckoo quail clock. And here's the tag on the outside. But like I said, there is some damage, but it can be fixed. And I'm happy with the clock. And so what would have prevented this clock from getting damaged is if they use bubble wrap versus the paper that they used. Goodwill uses bubble wrap all the time, and they'll wrap a clock 2 or 3 times with the bubble wrap, and bubble wrap almost guarantees that your clock is going to arrive undamaged. So anyway, I hope y'all like this video. Please leave me some comments. More to come on this clock. And God bless each and every one of you.